digital trainer kit, we are going to learn about the 7-segment display. The 4 inputs are named like A, B, C, D. So in this picture, we are seeing that input are connecting with the respective switch. So by this way, we have to connect the 4 input of the 7-segment display with the 4 respective switch. So now the 7-segment display is ready to recognize the input from the respective switches. Now we are giving the input as per this truth table as shown in this video. So when you are switching on the switch, the 7-segment display will change the output with respect to of the input switches.